What did you just find out about?
I found out that the cutest animals in Australia are koalas. Some of them drop from trees to kill you.
I just taught him about drop bears because we saw a sign that said, "Look up and live."
Boarded. It's been a minute or two since we picked this up. Well, it's been a couple of months actually. But we're back with some vlogs. And this time we're not in Canada. We're actually in Australia. Of all places. We've gone completely opposite side of the world. We are currently on the Ocean Road. And we have, well, we're only one day into it. We're only going to be doing it for a couple of days. So I figured it'd be a great time to actually get these vlogs up and running again. And yeah, just share the adventures and things.
So what did you find this morning?
Found a spider. The first spider of the trip.
Yeah, what'd you do?
I found it on the chair as I pulled it out from under the car, and I've just launched the chair on the floor. I don't want to die.
I don't think it's poison.
No?
I think it's just like, it's like one of the ones I read about. It's like a... Come on. That can't be your new home, you little nugget. Come on. No, it's cute. That's why you're not big. Look, it's just scared. Get out of there. Get out of there. There you go. We are truly in the jungle. It feels very remote, but you do see the odd house every so often. We were very terrified of snakes and spiders yesterday, especially this one. I always forget to check the cars, but since we're staying in the car, it's like, it's really hard to check underneath the car because, well, you're sleeping in it. And so you kind of need like a stick inside the car. I reckon we're gonna try that tonight. And also just to remember, it's not the first thing you wake up and think about is, oh, there might be a snake under the car. Although his dreams last night only incurred there being snakes under the car, so maybe that was what he woke up thinking. Anyways, beautiful drive, absolutely stunning, and we will continue on the Great Ocean Road.
Yeah, we're gonna go grab a coffee because I'm dying. As you can probably see, I look like a roughed up wet dog. So I need to get myself together, basically.
Yeah, we're gonna fix that hair. We're gonna fix that hair. We have very limited water because for some reason we decided to be dumb and not get any water last night. So even though we spent a lot of months now road tripping and having experience, we still mess up every so often, eh? So that just goes to show that it's never really perfect, is it?
No, it never really is. But the only perfect thing right now is getting a coffee in my hand, and I think that's where we are.
We need some energy, so we're gonna go get that done now. He doesn't want to show his hair, that's why he has the hood on. Not till we fix it. Starry night kangaroos, apparently they're really hard to find. Straight for the car.
I don't know if I want a hot coffee or a cold coffee.
It was 31 degrees today, so...
Yeah.
How cool. Big sad. You just,
That is cool.
it is really cool, to be fair. My man just really likes birds. He has gotten me into bird watching, not gonna lie, which is like, I feel like an impossible task, because who the hell watches birds in their mid-20s? But, you know, I apparently do now, because when somebody has an interest and you're interested in them, I mean, that's just a natural thing, hey? So yeah, he's into bird watching, therefore I'm kind of into bird watching. They are quite cool, but would I do it solo? Probably not. That tells you enough. Anyway, look at this handsome bird watcher. Probably the hottest bird watcher you've ever seen, eh?
Yeah, you've got to have a self-contained vehicle.
How do you like it?
It's nice, actually. It's really impressive. But as you can probably tell, there's a lot of tourists here. So for me, I'm not a huge fan of the touristy kind of areas. I like a bit more remote stuff, but it is pretty neat.
Yeah, it's not the greatest for that, but it's beautiful. There's definitely not 12 apostles, but they're gonna have to name it something different. How would you describe it?
I haven't seen it yet.
Oh, okay.
You're in the way. Let's have a look. Yeah, it's cool. There's only 2 of these ones here, so this is like the 2 apostles, I assume.
Hey, we counted like 9 at the end of it, so these are the other 2.
This is the gorge, I'm pretty sure. This is the Lord Gorge.
Still at 11 then. So we just had a full debacle on how great grapes are. Now the true outlook is what type of apple is the best. Wait, did I say grapes or apples? We're eating an apple, but I'm thinking about grapes. So what is the best type of apple? I would say Pink Lady.
I'm a Pink Lady or a Jazz Apple, but I don't know if Jazz Apples are global. But Jazz Apples in the UK are like really crunchy, quite a sharp apple. Elite choice in my opinion. But Pink Gravy gets it because it's an international sensation.
I've never heard of a Jazz Apple. I don't think they have them in Canada.
I don't know what this place is called, but it's a short drive from Port Campbell. As you can tell, it is a little bit touristy, but it is pretty impressive. The only thing I hate is this amount of flies that I'm finding on the ocean road is really irritating. Like, I'm trying to enjoy it and have a good time, and then you constantly swatting your faces away. They're all over the GoPro as well, you can't see it, but it's not the most pleasant of experiences.
This is our first real experience of flies, by the way, so it's pissing both of us off quite a fair bit amount. So bear that in mind when you're doing the ocean road. It's a lot of flies that just want to be in your mouth and in your eyes for some reason. One downside. But it's bloody beautiful, so definitely worthwhile. Maybe wear one of those face nets, you know, those might work out. Don't come at peak times on a weekend, you know, be smart about it. local history museum by the big cheese factory because we both like cheese.
Has to be the creepiest statue I think I've ever seen.
That is very creepy. Is she right around the corner as well? Like, why are you there?
Does it actually go?
It's weird because it's rubbery, hey? It feels like others.
I thought it must be something.
I do actually want to milk a cow. Having a whale of a time. Logan's Beach Whale Nursery on the way to Warrnambool? I don't know. Warrnambool. On the way to Warrnambool. Yeah, it's just a little stop off. Let's see if we can catch us a whale. It's apparently how you can spot a whale. So let's see if we can spot one. I'm not wearing my glasses, so I'm gonna have to rely on this sweet man to spot any whales because I can't see anything. Size does count. You hear that? Grow up to 18 meter, weigh about 100 tons. So if you have a lot of time, I would say come here and search for whales. But if you don't, like us, we are headed to the hot springs. So we don't have a lot of time. That's why we don't have enough to actually spot a whale. But apparently there's a lot of whale sightings here. So if you actually have 30 minutes or so, you might have a good chance.
So you're probably wondering, oh, here's the singer. Probably wondering why I've got my glasses on again. Well, we didn't film this little bit because we wanted some like time to chill out and relax, but we've just been to a spa experience. How do you find it?
I feel so relaxed. I feel literally so incredible. My body is just in awe of how insane that was. Highly suggest it. Like,
yeah, it's the deep blue hotel spa experience, I want to say, along the Ocean Road. Really cool, loads of different things. They got like mineral tanks, a cold plunge, sensory cave was one of them, wasn't it?
Yeah.
And some like waterfall ones.
Waterfalls.
And what was it?
Essential oil one
Yeah.
is my favorite. It smelled so good.
It is nice, to be fair. We're smelling like flowers, and to be honest, I think we're in the perfect condition to go and sleep in a car in a field again. So
yeah, we're just gonna go grab some food and just get some sleep in the back of this thing.
Yeah,
now it actually looks enticing. Yeah. I look like I'm like, you know what? I'm totally ready to take on
another night.
Yeah,
another night sleep in this car.
Yeah.
Look at that. Ooh. They're quite nice actually.
We got some ham, some Vegemite, a sauce.
Yeah. I'm not usually allowed in the shops because I get carried away because I get really hungry, and then I spend a lot more money than we need to spend.
Look at those mussels.
There's 8 servings in a pack.
Look where we've ended up. We are feeling so naughty. Look what's in our cart. It's because of the sun. I would have done it, but it just looks so damn bad.
Chicken crisps. How much protein's in a chicken crisps? And then gravy. You get chicken gravy, and then you eat the crisps together. You got chicken gravy.
Beautiful. Now we're headed to our campsite. We got some food. So we're starving.
It's delicious.
Now we're gonna go eat it. Yum 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 yum.
we've made it to a campsite for the night, and here's what we've got for tea.
Some brie and ham sandwiches. Yeah.
Yeah, we thought we'd just make some sandwiches, keep it easy, keep it light. We've had a lot of the roast chicken recently. I can't get over this lighting. As you can see, it's pretty dark now. So yeah, we're basically gonna get these down and then we're gonna call it a night. Yeah?
Yeah.
Pretty successful day.
It was an amazing day.
What was one of your best parts, do you reckon?
It was definitely the hot springs. I'm sorry, but
Yeah.
it's just so good. I feel so good right now.
Yeah,
I'm very
same.
zen.
Yeah, same here. I'm really chilled out, really calm. Like, it was really cool, like doing some more of the Great Ocean Road and the 12 Apostles and seeing all that stuff. And I know we didn't capture it, but the hot springs is probably a highlight of that. It was really relaxing, nice chilled out, and yeah, I may have almost passed out a few times, I think, just because it was just so hot. Some of them, they were doing like some hot and cold plunges, and we both kind of agreed when the time comes and we're doing some longer road trips that we definitely have to schedule in a few hot springs.
Yeah.
You know, along the road.
I think that made it like I could do another month easy now.
100%. Anyway, if you did enjoy the vlog, be sure to hit the like button, and if you want to stick around for more of the road trip adventures, be sure to hit subscribe. We will see you soon.